Welcome to SurveySparrow. Let's see how to create an event registration form. Select one of our customizable templates based on the type of your event. Once you select it, the template will open in the builder. Customize the welcome screen by adding a tagline or an enticing text requesting the respondents fill out the form. Upload your logo. Modify the questions based on your needs. Delete the unnecessary questions. Add a thank you page. Your event registration form is ready. Now you can share the link, embed it on your website, or even share a QR code. This is how simple it is to use SurveySparrow.